Written in this book are the problems that I will explain. I leave my book open when I solve math problems for days. The very next morning they had told me I didn't do too well. Seems to me my next test next time won't go so swell. And I'll study tonight. My math textbook is open wide. The way I've been reviewing all night, with snacks in between. Math is my life, 2 to the third. This E equals 8, it's absurd. Exponents. Math is my life, 4 to the third, when added to 3 to the first power. Math is my life. Written in this book are the problems that I will explain. I leave my book open when I solve math problems for days. The very next morning they had told me I didn't do too well. Seems to me my next test next time won't go so well. And I'll study tonight. My math textbook is open wide. The way I've been reviewing all night, with snacks in between. Math is my life, 3 to the 6th, subtracted from 8 to the 7th. Exponents. Math is my life, 8 to the 0, it equals 1. Math is my life.
Okay, so we did exponents. And as you can see here, our first one we did was 0 exponents. So here we have 4 to the 0 power. And because it's a 0 power, this is going to equal 1. No matter what this base number is, if you see a 0 power, 1 is going to be the answer, no matter what. Okay, the next one we did was negative exponents. If you look, we have 5 to the negative second. So, because it's a negative exponent, we're going to flip it and make it a fraction. So we're going to put 1 over it. And that becomes 1 to 5 to the negative second. Or 1 over 5 times 5. Because this 2, it means 2 5s, which means 5 times 5. Now, if you look, 5 times 5 equals 25. Therefore, it's going to be equal 1/25th. And that's going to be your answer, no matter what. Here we have division of exponents. Now, here we have x to the 6th over x to the 3rd. If you look here, like I show, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 x's. And on the bottom, there's 3. I've crossed out the bottom 3 x's, and I've crossed out 3 x's on the top, because that's what they have in common. So, because of that, you have 3 x's left. And therefore, you're going to take 6 minus 3, and you're going to get up with 3. 3 left. And because of that, your answer will end up being x to the 3rd. Okay. Now last we have multiplication. Multiplication is also important, given it is the opposite of division. So here we have x to the 4th times x to the 6th. Now, if you see, you're going to times x by themselves. And you're going to get x times x equals x. So, yeah, you have an x. Now, because it's multiplication, in the last one of these, we subtracted. In the division, as you can see here, we took away. We did 6 minus 3. Here, we're going to do 4 plus 6, and that's going to give you 10. So you can put a 10 up there, and boom, you have your answer. So that's how you do zero exponents, as we talked about, negative exponents, division of exponents, and the multiplication of exponents. Why we don't let Dan sing?
Jason!
Alright, everybody, break it up, break it up. We need a- What?